was done. So today is an exciting unboxing because I'm already in love with the shoes from the box. If you follow me and you follow my brand, then you know I have a collection. I call it a collection, and I call it the bad ending collection. And then sure, I do a lot of like handwriting and stuff, and it's like funny because this box has so much of like that aesthetic. I think that's so cool. So I got the Dolce and Gabbana fat shoe. You know, every brand, how like Balenciaga made every brand have like a sock shoe, they also made every brand have a fat shoe. Wow, Balenciaga. Y'all some influential motherfuckers. And it's crazy because Balenciaga is so like minimalistic, but just like very true to like whatever aesthetic that they're pushing at the time, and it gradually goes from one thing to the next. And a lot of other brands just can't relate. So Dolce and Gabbana, they also have a fat shoe. I got $10 back because the box was messed up, but guess what? The box is barely even messed up. It's just like a little rip right here, and they put some tape on it. Listen, if you're giving me $10 back for that, I'll take it. And it was like some other little minor problems with the unboxing and stuff, but I mean, ain't nothing I can complain about. So I don't really know what these shoes are called. Let me see if they have a name. It says black low top sneaker, but that's just Essence calling it. And they look like they took the sticker off the box as if like they don't want me to know something, like this was a return or something. Probably. Let me see. Oh, it says Dolce and Gabbana sneaker. Then something says Super King. I can't really tell what's what, so I'm not even gonna try to figure it out. So I don't know what the shoe is called, and I'll like know what it's called by the time it's time to do the video, of course, because by the time then I'll already have had the I'm so confused with this lighting. It's just like really inconsistent. But in short, I'll just know by then what I need to do. I mean, I'll know the name of it by the time I upload this video. So just to hurry up and pull the shoe out, they came in these plastic bags. The plastic bags look kind of dusty. They did tell me there was some problems with the boxing and stuff. So I've never actually owned any Dolce & Gabbana shoes. So this is like my first impression / first review. So this is the dust bag, pretty basic. I don't know, I feel like for the bigger brands I'm harder on it. This looks like a wholesale dust bag, and then they literally bought a Dolce & Gabbana tag, am I wrong? And they just sewed it on there. And not even sewed it well. Anyway. And I don't know the original price of these shoes. I'll figure it out like right now. These were on sale. I probably wouldn't have bought them if they weren't on sale, because it's like, how many fat shoes do you need? All of them. Alright, let me look really quickly and see. Let's see. Dolce and Gabbana sneakers. Watch, I know the shoes are gonna come up first for those ugly sock ones. And I hate those. Cause they like, I don't know, they just give, yup, see, look, that's all that came up is those ugly shoes. I hate those. And people be like, hey, you can review them. No, I'm not. They're ugly. So ugly. Maybe not that ugly, but I would never buy them. They would have to be like $100. They just remind me of like swim shoes, and that's just not my aesthetic. Let me see, sneakers and slip-ons. Okay. I cannot find them. What's crazy is these are called the Super King sneakers. Let me tell you what's so funny, right? They is online for $9.45 on DolceandGabbana.com. That's what I'm talking about. I love buying shit on sale that still with retail price. So these are the shoes. They're pretty dope. The box itself is artwork. That's probably why they gave me $10 off the box, because if you look on the website, they show the box. They rarely show boxes. But I'm not gonna lie, the ones, okay, so I just got the all black ones. As you can see, I needed another pair of all black shoes. My last all black shoes were the Balenciaga not speed trainers, but the track runners, I believe what they were called, or track something. You know the ones, the fat ones, but not the triple S's. And I wore the fuck out of them, and I'll be wearing the fuck out of these too. These kind of give like a easier to mess up vibe though, because everything is so clean and so matte that like when you start wearing and tearing, it's obvious. So it has like a rubber base up on like a leather top, and it really just looked like a shoe on like a sole. It doesn't really look like a shoe in itself. It looked like a shoe on a sole. You know what I'm saying? It also reminds me of that dance shoe that I said Kanye West copied off of, that Azalea Banks was like, she was like a something dance sneaker. I'm gonna put the shoe up, but it's like the video Azalea Banks was like a something dance sneaker. I need to find the video now, yo, because that shit is funny. The camera about to die. We 5 minutes in. We just gonna rock this bitch out. The sublimation on this Dolce and Gabbana looks so janky, yo. I'm sorry for being so critical, but oh, it got 2 tongues. I think that's tough. It really has 2 tongues. That is so tough. It got 2 tongues. I think that is so tough. Like, it's 2 tongues. One say Dolce and Gabbana. You know, they just ordered a lot of wholesale. They ordered a lot of custom tags and just sold them everywhere. They said we can sell them here, there, there. They even put one on the box. Yo, they really just sold the tags everywhere, didn't they, Drea? Yo, I'm dead. I'm sorry. Oh my God, they even got one in the soul. They really just put them anywhere. They were just like, you know what? We ordered a lot of tags. We're gonna use them. Where can we use them at? For real. So, yeah, they got 2 tongues. I'm gonna try them on just to see like that initial feel. I know when I put these bitches on, I'm gonna gain like 3 feet. So for all of the short guys out there, these are the shoes for us. We are now taking over the 99 and the 2000s. It does come with this separate pair of shoestrings, which are already fraying. If you could look really closely, they're already fraying. And I say stuff like this because if somebody actually pays $9.45 for these shoes, then they should get $9.45 quality. Me, I pay. What? Alright, boss Don. So now I'm gonna try on the shoe because I wanna see how heavy this motherfucker really is. Alright, so per usual. Alright, pretend you don't see my pants. I feel like if you see my pants, you're being nosy. Fred, shut up because I know you said something about the pants. My fucking baby toe hurt. Well, the toe is next to my toe. I feel like that's my baby toe. Alright, I'm gonna turn this away per usual so y'all can see it. I'm glad these shoes be brand new. I be putting them all up on my couch. I don't know who laced these. They must have been blind. No shade to blind people. Okay, these really is heavy though. I can say that they is heavy. Ooh, my little ankle broke. Look, I gotta hold my foot up to hold it. Otherwise, that bitch dangled like this. Look, it just dangled down. I need to do ankle weights, some ankle weights or something, because these bitches is heavy. Yeah, let me see. Oh my God, yo, they really do make you a whole inch taller, yo. I am 6 feet tall with these on. I cannot wait. Alright, boss dons, please let me know in the comments below right now. I was gonna try to make now rhyme, but in the right now, but it wouldn't work. Please let me know right now in the comments below what you guys think of these shoes. Let me know, would you purchase them? If so, what colorway would you cop? Also, do you think I made a smart decision in buying another pair, yet another pair of fat shoes? Last but not least, I guess the final thing would be to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and just, you know, join the Don family. You know, over here we're very independent thinkers. You know, we have great sense of fashion. We're very opinionated. We express our feelings, and most of all, we stay untouchable. And I'm just saying that to close out the video, that wasn't like a weird thing where I'm trying to like say we stay untouchable. I'm really saying like stay untouchable, Godspeed, which is like the normal sign off. So signing off. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Alright, boys, nuts. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all like the shoes. Really don't care if y'all like the shoes or not. I like the box more than I like the shoes, to be honest with you. Maybe when I put them on and style them and something like that, maybe we could do a how to style video. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below in the comments. Other than that, hope you have a good night rest. I hope you have a good day whenever you're watching this. It's 4 o'clock in the morning wherever I am. I'm tired. I'm about to eat ice cream and watch Punisher Season 2. Stay untouchable. Back to you, Dan. Godspeed, and we're out.